The whole sales process that I go through is 4 steps because I'm not like overly smart. If you get to 12 steps in your process, that's a recovery program. And you gotta
exactly.
Okay? So if you map it all out, right? My 4 steps are just going to be simply like, listen, believe, and buy. Okay. It works for every relationship you've ever been. Brian and my friendship came from this.
So say it again.
Like, listen, believe, and buy.
Believe and buy. Gotcha.
Okay. So if I like you, then I'll listen to you. As I listen to you more, I like you more, which causes me to listen more. And when I listen, I can believe you. And if I believe you, I either buy in, as in friendship or anything else, or I buy from you. But what's the most important part of it?
What is it, Joe? Is it the belief? The like?
It's the like.
Yeah.
Without it, you got nothing.
Yeah.
If there's somebody out there, which is absolutely impossible because I'm so likable, but if there's somebody out watching this that doesn't like me, right, then I could tell you the funniest joke ever, and you're not going to laugh because you hate me.
Yeah.
And if you hate me, you're not going to laugh, right? So I always try to get everybody to laugh in every process I go through. Okay. So if you need someone to understand what's going on and to understand your messaging, I always say, if you make somebody laugh, the ego has to step aside.
Yep.
And then the message gets interpreted easier.